Hello, welcome back to my channel. Alinafe Edwards here. We made it to another year. A happy new year. Everywhere you are in the world, happy new year. I know your new year resolutions are in place. As for me, I do not have any. I do not have any. But all we can do is to thank Almighty God for preserving our lives. Yeah. But we are in a new year now. We have to start afresh. So, speaking of starting afresh, you know how selfless I am? You know I like sharing what I know. Hey, I'm here with another black just for you. So without wasting much of our time, let's get into it. So today I want to share with you one of the businesses that you can start if you're interested. And you know I only share things that I know that I have done. What I'm sharing you now is what I have done and I'm still doing. Is one of my hustles. That is t-shirt printing. If you're interested to start a t-shirt printing business, it's not that difficult. It's not that difficult. Since I'm here, I have the experience, I've gone through the process. I am going to share with you some of the tips on how you should start it. Firstly, the first thing, you have to make sure it is what you want to do. You don't just invest in any business without your full commitment. You have to be committed to the new business that you are going to start. And if you're watching this video, I know that you are interested to start a business, t-shirt printing business. So what are the basic steps that you need to start a t-shirt business? Firstly, as you can see behind me, I have my Cricut Explorer Air 2. I use this to cut vinyls. So I also do t-shirt printing business. I'm in the business. I have the experience. Maybe I am the business as well. Far behind me, you will see a black box. That's my printer. I use it for printable vinyls when people want like printed t-shirts with their face in front of their t-shirt. I use printable vinyl and I use my Canon to do the printable vinyl. I have my videos on how to do your t-shirt printing with a regular vinyl and also with printable vinyl. I'll link those links in the description box below so that you shouldn't go anywhere to watch how to do t-shirt printing. We have it here. In this house, it's full package. far behind, like after the black box, there is something green that you can see. That's my heat place, the one that I use to do all the t-shirt printing. You also see it if you go and watch my video, my first t-shirt printing project video. You are going to see all these things that I'm saying. For the printable vinyl, you are going to see my Canon. It's also there. It's no secret. So, if you are listening attentively, I've already mentioned 3 things that you need to start your t-shirt printing business. You need a heat press. You need a Canon printer or any other printer that you can be using, as long as it's an inkjet printer. That's all you need. And you need a vinyl cutter. It doesn't necessarily mean that it has to be Cricut Explorer family. No, there are different types of brands that you can use. But according to my research, when I did my research and I was satisfied, I went for Cricut Explorer Air 2 for starters. So you need these 3 things to get started. Apart from that, you need different kinds of vinyls, different colors, different types, and you can also buy printable vinyls for dark fabrics, for light fabrics, and then you just practice. Before you actually starting taking your business out there, you have to make sure you have practiced enough. You cannot be all professional just like that. No, you have to practice. There are mistakes that you are supposed to make. You are going to make mistakes. I did my own mistakes. I have videos as well reviewing my first t-shirt printing and the mistakes that I made. I shared the tips, but as you know, Alinafa is not selfish. I'll share with you some of the tips that you need to know when you are starting this business. This t-shirt printing business, it requires you to be aware of details. You have to be good with the details. When you are printing, you don't want to miss your customer's project, your t-shirts. I'll tell you a story. So the reason why I said that you have to do a lot of practice is this. I made a mistake. You know me, naturally, I'm very confident in what I do. So when I bought the stuff, after trying for the first time 2-3 t-shirts, I thought like, I'm good to go. I started advertising it because I don't waste time when it comes to making noise about my businesses. I do not waste time because we want to start making that money. You know what I mean? So I had a first customer. That guy came through, but he didn't know that he is the first customer. He didn't know that he was the first customer. I came with my confidence. It was on 120% that day. I said, bring it on. But what I like about this guy, he was so patient and so understanding, like, no, it's fine. So actually, when I was printing, he gave me a vest to print. So when I was printing the vest, I made a mistake. Boy, you do not want to know. But I still have pictures of the mistakes that I made. If I manage to find it somewhere in my phone, I'll show you guys. But my first customer, it was bad, but he waited. He said, no, it's fine. If you know you can do something about it, I'll just give you time so that you should reprint it. I reprinted it, and the first part that got damaged and whatever, it just became as part of the design. You know, when you're a very creative mind, you know how to maneuver. You know what I mean? All the creative geniuses, they know about it. You always have your defensive mechanism. So make sure you are confident enough that now I can start. You have practiced. You cannot practice enough though. Your very first customers, just make sure before you do their printing, just try it on something else. You understand? Because when it comes to t-shirt printing, you have to make sure that your printing is centered, is on the center. And you have to make sure from the neck, you have to put like 3 fingers so that it shouldn't come here. You should start at least from the bust going down. And you have to fold your t-shirt in 2 so that you should put the design on the middle. You understand? So you learn that as you are practicing. And I can spend the whole day explaining how it should be done, but for you to really learn how it should be done, you have to practice. So how did I learn how to do t-shirt printing? I learned it on YouTube. That is why today I'm also making this video so that you learn how to do t-shirt printing. Guys, any information that we need in this time and age, it is on YouTube. It is because YouTube is the second largest search engine that you can find anything. So I solely learned how to do t-shirt printing here on YouTube. This house is full package. Where did I get recommendations for the resources that I use? You know, when you are so passionate about something, when you want to do something, you are not going to wait for someone to come from nowhere and share information with you. You have to go and get the information yourself. So that's what I actually did. I just went on YouTube again and heat presses, and then whatever suited my budget, that's what I bought. I'm in South Africa, Cape Town, Africa. So I bought my my heat press. I bought it on Takealot. And my Cricut Explorer Air 2, I bought it at Incredible Connection. Yeah, I went into the shop, I remember. And my Canon printer, I bought it also on Takealot. So all these things that I bought, it was around 10,000 rand. Yes, it was around there because I bought everything at the same time. And I also have videos that I was unboxing my Cricut Explorer Air 2 and my heat press. So, apart from having attention to details, make sure that when you are doing t-shirt printing, it's very important that you use high quality materials. The vinyls that you are going to use, make sure they are high quality. Remember, we are servicing people who can actually go to another place of business and get their t-shirt printed. You want to retain your customers at the end of the day. You want to do a very good job so that they should be able to come back. So they can only come back if you are giving them a good quality service. Don't buy cheap material, please, because for the vinyls, they are going to wash it. So even if you lie to them that it is high quality, you know your selling points and whatever, if you lie to them, later it will catch up with you. They will still know because they are going to be wearing these t-shirts. Yeah? Even for printable vinyls, buy good quality resources, buy good quality vinyl, so that when you print, they'll be the ones sending a word of mouth that, oh, Alinafe Edwards, she's very good at her job. That way, a lot of people will be coming to your business. After you're done buying all the resources, you have practiced, you know how your machines work. How are you even going to get your machine to work, your Cricut Explorer Air 2? How are you going to print on your Canon printer or whatever inkjet printer you are going to use? How are you going to use the heat press? People of God, YouTube. I call it YouTube University. Everything is on YouTube. How to use the Cricut Explorer Air 2? I learned it on YouTube. How to use the heat press? I learned it on YouTube. How to use the Canon printer to do the printable vinyl? I learned it on YouTube. You can also learn it on YouTube. Just do your own research. So, you are done doing everything. You are done practicing. You are confident enough that now you can offer the services. Your family and friends, let them know. Don't hide your hustle for anyone. If they want to support, they will support. If they can't support, God is going to send you people who are going to support your business, who are going to be your loyal customers. You understand? So just believe. Word of mouth. Go on Facebook. Marketplace. Post your products. So just make sure also that whatever you're printing, you are taking content, because that content that you are taking, the pictures that you are taking, it is the one that is going to make other people come to your business. Because if you tell me that you do t-shirt printing, but you don't have anything to show for it, believe you me, I'm not coming. Boy, I'm not coming, because I want to see what you have done before. Or even if it means that it's not from another customer, just do your own t-shirt printing and wear them. You are a model of your own business. I model my own business. Apart from t-shirt printing business, I'm a self-taught fashion designer. I learned everything on YouTube. I wear my own designs. When I get in an Uber, they'll be asking me like, oh, I love your dress, oh, this and that. I just say, I'm a fashion designer. I make this myself. That's how I get my customers. I model for my own stuff. So you also, if you say you do not have customers, be your own first customer. I know it's a lot, but be your own first customer. Print the t-shirts for you and your family. Take pictures. Post those pictures on Facebook. Post those pictures on your WhatsApp statuses. That way, people start coming. You start making money. Another thing, when you start making money, make sure you treat your customers as if they are the first and the last. Okay, don't be rude. Just be nice. You want their money, remember? So make sure they spend on you. That's the goal. Make them spend on you. And make them bring their friends to spend on you. You get? That's how you're going to grow. And just make sure, no matter how big you become in this business, stay humble. That's all. For now, that's all. So all my videos, I will link them in the description box below so that you should know how to do t-shirt printing. I also have a video of different kind of vinyls that you can use. I will link them below because in this house we have full package. Don't forget to share this information with your family and friends. Maybe you may have friends who would like to start a t-shirt business, but they don't know how. This is the only way you can show them that you care about their dreams. Share with them. As I have shared freely with you, share with others freely as well. Okay, you never know. It can be someone else's side hustle. Others, they do it as a main hustle. It all depends on you. But don't forget to share with family and friends. And before you leave, make sure you like, comment, and click that like button to show that you want more of this content. So I believe after this video, you are going to consider starting your own t-shirt printing business. It's not that difficult, is it? Was the information mouthful? I don't think so. So, yeah, that's all for now. Just make sure you put God first in everything that you're going to do. It's a must, and it's very much important. If you want your business to flourish this year, put God first. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time, have a good day. Bye.